Okay, so I love my vest. I've been using it and it's awesome. You can put your phone in here, put lens cap covers in here, personal stuff in here, well, sort of personal stuff. Got triggers, headlamps, Tootsie Rolls, batteries, things like that. The best part about this vest is if you need to switch your lenses, you can just stand it right up right here, undo it, swap lenses like so. Well, I would put it in the other pocket actually, and then just switch them out without having to take a backpack on and off, which is what I really like. So I love this thing a lot, a ton. So you just would unclip it like this, and it won't come off because it's safe. So I really like that a lot. Oh, and the tripod. One of my favorite parts about this vest is this strap right here to hold your camera, because as you know, either a sling or a neck strap is a lot of stress on your neck. This is zero stress. I don't even feel it at all.
You wore it for how many days?
I've been wearing it for like 4 or 5 days.
Nice.
Yep. First day out, I was ready to get one my own. Oh, to remove this vest is also very easy. You just take it off. And listen to this. You don't get lost. You don't leave your backpack anywhere because your vest is always with you. So that's how easy this is, on and off.